Granny Granny Please Comb My Hair, from Class 2 portrays the loving relationship between a grandchild and her grandmother. The poem celebrates the tender moments of grooming, where Granny lovingly combs the child's hair while they share stories and laughter. It highlights the bond of affection and care between generations, emphasizing the importance of family in a child's life. The poem's simplicity and warmth resonate with young readers, evoking feelings of comfort and security. For more enriching educational resources like Granny Granny Please Comb My Hair, subscribe to Bharatselfllearning. Discover a wealth of engaging content that supports holistic learning experiences for children.